Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did meubels, furniture. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Les 33, Intensiewe vorm, intensive form. This episode forms part of our grammar series. If you watched our episode on colors in Afrikaans, kleure, then you might already know a little bit about the intensive form. The intensiewe form deals with byvoeglike naamwoorde, adjectives. As you might know, byvoeglike naamwoorde, adjectives, gives extra meaning to selfstandige naamwoorde, nouns. The intensiewe form is a byvoeglike naamwoord of a strong degree that is used to make your language more lively and expressive. Normally, you can say, the man is poor, and to emphasize it, you say, the man is very poor. English does not really have the intensive form, so in English, to make the sentence better, you would use a different adjective that has the same meaning as very poor. With the intense form, you would add another word to the adjective. For example, die man is arm, die man is brandarm, die man is brandarm. There is no correlation between the words that are added to make the intensiewe form. Intensiewe form should be memorized just like new words. Let's show some examples. Alleen, alleen. Stoksiel alleen, stoksiel alleen. Bekend, bekend. Alom bekend, alom bekend. Fris, fris. Perdfris, perdfris. Helder, helder. Glashelder, glashelder. Vol, vol. Stampvol, stampvol. Vet, vet. Spekvet, spekvet. These are just a few examples to show you how intensiewe vormen function. There are many, many more. In the comment section, we will put a list of some of the most common intensiewe vormen that occur often in Afrikaans conversation. It would be good to learn these to enhance your language. While most intensiewe vormen are singular words that are added, there are two exceptions with intensiewe vormen. First, the following three words have a degree of comparison in the superlative. In Afrikaans, degree of comparison is called the trappe van vergelijking. The words that have the superlative are plankdun, plankdun, plankdunste, plankdunste, spierwit, spierwit, spierwitste, spierwitste, stokoud, stokoudste, stokoudste, stokoudste. The other exception is that for some intensiewe vormen you can have reduplication. When reduplication, always add a hyphen. For example, hond, hondmak, hond, hondmak, klip, kliphard, klip, kliphard, skat, skatryk, skat, skatryk, spier, spierwit, spier, spierwit. Next week, strate en padtekens, streets and road signs in Afrikaans. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye!